I'm in the middle of filming like 2 videos. Do I change my top? Do I not? Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to be transforming this into this. So my hair is pretty dirty, not gonna lie. So my hair is pretty dirty right now. So what I like to do when it's dirty, especially if I'm filming or if I'm gonna take pictures for Instagram, I like to curl it and slick it back. So what I'm gonna do is, this is like the easiest tutorial ever. I don't even have anything ready for it, but that's how easy it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to brush it back. And my hair is a little and dirty. So I'm just taking some hairspray and I'm gonna slick it back. I like to just take, I need a different mirror because that mirror is too small. Just like to take a like round brush, something that's like really fine. When I get to my sides, I like brushing it down. Brush it down. Do this. So you kind of get the gist of how I slick it back, right? So we're going to spray this all and brush it out. And we're going to add some curls in the back. So I'm going to grab my curling iron, which is behind my camera. Ini default. This is a NuMe curling iron, actually. This is probably the smallest barrel I have. And I just kind of take pieces. I feel like my armpits aren't shaved, so I'm trying not to raise my arms up too much. And I'm just like throwing random curls in it. You can use a fatter barrel if you like, but I personally really like tighter curls. But the bigger section hair that you grab, the looser the curl's gonna be. So just like that, really. And my hair is kind of old, like it was curly. Even like to grab pieces from up here and curl them this way. Whoops. Just to get like some dimension in here. I should have put a fatter barrel on. A fatter wand. So I don't really want this much curly hair. I'm gonna shower right after this video. That's why I'm doing it. So I'm pretty much just not really grabbing it in any like particular way or section. I'm just kind of just curling it back. I'm curling it all the way from my face because it's going to be behind me anyway. When I get over here, I'll just like kind of grab bigger chunks in the lower section. Like it's really, really messy. Like this is why I like doing it, especially if I just curled my hair like a few days before. Like if you guys can see like right here, I have some older, you know, curls in there. And I just like kind of curl them all around. Like even fat sections, like chunkier sections. And it just looks like you kind of put some effort into your hair, but you didn't. So this is when I like to curl up here a little bit more, because I like when it's slick back. Like I like how that looks. Let me like over my chair or something so you guys can see. Like I like that there's some dimension here, so I like really spray down my hair, and I even spray it here, so it's kind of like that wet slicked back look. My camera just kind of died a little bit, but all I really did was just curl a little bit more. I'm really low so you guys can see what the top of my hair looks like, but I just really curl whatever I have left. And I kind of curl like the top section, like the crown of the head. I don't really curl like underneath. So this is like kind of what the back looks like. Can you tell? Can you tell? So it's just messy. So once I get the front the way I want it, so I really like when the sides are slicked back. So we're going to slick these sides back all the way. If you want, you can put a bobby pin behind your ear, but I just kind of think it's boring again. And then I just kind of like let this fold over here. And then I let this kind of stick up in a different way up here. And then I just kind of like run through the hairspray. Like I really just put a lot of hairspray. You could totally do this when your hair is actually wet and just use like mousse or something just to avoid all of this hairspray. But I really like this hairspray. This is the Marc Anthony Hydrating Coconut Oil Volume Hairspray. Extra hold, fullness, and volume infused with biotin. So I really do like this one. And then I just kind of like spray everything. Okay. So once I'm done spraying it and I have like my full vision, you know what I'm trying to say. Once I have the back the way I want it, and then once I have the crown and the front the way I want it, I go in with powder because I have a lot of these like bald spots here, especially like right here I have a lot of powder. So this is actually a brow powder. This is by Tanya Crooks. This is the Brow Gal, and I just really pretty much take an eyeshadow brush. This is a Luxie one, and I take this darkest color just because this middle one looks a little green on my scalp, and I literally just push it there. They actually make brow powders. They actually make hair powders like for your hair. They actually make a spray too. But I don't really do this so often that I need it. So I'm just kind of using whatever I have. I'm like so spastic in this video. And just kind of like lighten it a little bit. And I have to like lay my edges a little bit more. Okay, that's pretty much that for the powder. Just because I did hide it a little bit better than normal. Which I'm proud of myself. So for my baby hairs, the sides of my head, I use brow gel. This is a really great trick if you're in school and like, you know, you don't want to use hairspray or anything like that, but you do have baby hairs. I take it and I comb it down. And that's it. And it stays. These baby hairs, these cowlicks, you know, a lot of people just take gel and a toothbrush, but like I already have brow gel. So I already have a built-in brush plus brow gel. So just to intensify the curls in the back, I'll go in with two Ouai products. These are the Ouai products. I'll go in with the wave spray. Just kind of spray it in the curls, pick it up a little bit. You know, whatever makes your hair look more wet, add it in. And then I'll take my Ouai texturizing spray, which like this is out. Just to like lift anything. And that is pretty much it. That completes this easy slick back wet hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys like seeing hair tutorials. This is just kind of like my go-to hair tutorial. If my hair is really dirty and crazy, it's just like my go-to hair tutorial. So let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you all in my next video.